Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you 4 different ways to set column width in Excel, from quick manual adjustments to setting exact measurements. Let's get straight into it. The fastest way is to just drag the column border. Hover your mouse over the right edge of the column header at the top of your spreadsheet. You'll see the cursor change to a horizontal double arrow. Click and drag the boundary to the right to make the column wider, or drag it left to make it narrower. As you drag, Excel shows you a screen tip with the new width and pixel count. Release the mouse when it's the size you want. If that didn't work, or you need an exact width, maybe you're matching columns across multiple sheets, go to the Home tab, click Format in the Cells group on the right, then under Cell Size, click Column Width. Type the number you want in the box and click OK. The column resizes to that exact width. This is useful when you need consistency or you're working with specific layout requirements. For a quicker route to the same thing, just right-click the column header to select it. In the menu that pops up, click Column Width. Type your value and click OK. Same result, fewer clicks. This is handy when you're already working in a specific column and don't want to move your cursor up to the ribbon. The last method is auto-fit. This makes Excel automatically size the column to fit your longest piece of text. Select the column by clicking its header, then double-click the right edge of that header. Excel instantly resizes the column to match the widest cell. If you'd rather do it from the ribbon, go to Home, Format, then click Auto Fit Column Width under Cell Size. Either way, the column adjusts itself so nothing gets cut off. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Column width can be set anywhere from 0 to 255 points, with the default being 8.43 characters. If you're working with multiple columns at once, select all the columns you want to change, then drag the boundary on the right side of any selected column header. They'll all resize together. This saves time when you're formatting a whole table. Thanks for watching.